Good evening everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about tech layoffs surge in January, PayPal's AI-driven products and checkout feature, Ola launches e-bike service in Delhi and Hyderabad, Reliance Jio and OnePlus 5G Innovation Lab, iQOO Neo 9 Pro smartphone launch on 22 Feb, LG unveils QNED 83 series smart TVs in India, Google tests Chrome for Windows on ARM and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Over 20,000 layoffs have occurred across 85 tech companies in January, marking the highest since March. Major layoffs include 8,000 at SAP, 1,900 in Microsoft's gaming division, and significant cuts in various tech firms. Layoffs precede upcoming tech earnings report from Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, Meta, and Microsoft. This trend follows the peak in January 2023 when 90,000 jobs were cut across 277 tech companies. PayPal, led by CEO Alex Chriss, unveils AI-driven products and a one-click checkout feature. The AI platform leverages transaction data from merchants to reach new customers. Features include smart receipts for personalized recommendations and fast-lane one-click checkout, showing a 40% speed increase. PayPal aims to expand revenue beyond transaction-related volume, and investors closely watch its performance in 2024. Ola launches its e-bike service in Delhi and Hyderabad, expanding from a successful pilot in Bengaluru. Plans to deploy 10,000 e-vehicles over the next 2 months across the 3 cities aims to have the largest electric two-wheeler fleet in India, revolutionizing urban commuting. Ola envisions nationwide electrification and plans to scale up e-bike services across India by the end of the year. Reliance Jio and OnePlus collaborate to establish a 5G innovation lab in India. Aims to provide differentiated features and an unparalleled network experience for OnePlus and Jio True 5G users. The lab will serve as a hub for testing and developing new 5G technologies, contributing to advancements in the country. Jio leading in 5G coverage and OnePlus plan to redefine the 5G landscape in India. iQOO announces the launch of Neo 9 Pro in India on 22 February, available on Amazon India and iQOO eStore. Comes with 8GB and 12GB RAM configurations featuring a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip and iQOO's Q1 chip for enhanced performance. Boasts a 144 frame per second display, 900 pixel super resolution mode for gaming, and MEMC technology for improved video content. Dual camera setup includes a 50 megapixel primary sensor available in fiery red and conqueror black color. LG launches the QNED 83 series LED TV in India, combining quantum dot and nanocell technologies. Features quantum nanocell display, QNED 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and AI-powered super upscaling. Available in 65-inch and 55-inch models powered by the Alpha 7 Gen 6 AI processor. Gaming features include game dashboard optimizer, AMD FreeSync, VRR, and a 120Hz refresh rate. Google Chrome is testing a native version for Windows on ARM, expected to be available in the stable version in a couple of months. Available in 90 Canary channel builds, allowing it to run natively on Windows on ARM machines without emulation. Aligns with the development of the Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite platform, aiming for competitive performance for Windows on ARM devices. Marks a significant move in opening up Chrome to niche operating systems. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।